So in this video now we'll try to learn how to create a dictionary where key are A, B and C and that their respective values for those keys I need 1 to 10, 11 to 20 and 21 to 30. Okay, so in the form of list. So that need to be stored as a value. So now we can move to Visual Studio and I will try to create that dictionary D equals to dictionary. Okay, and A equals to list. Okay, and inside we know that one range function is there, so range. Okay, 1 to 11 first one, and then again we can do just in the same way. I will put for all other. Okay, so now in C we need till 31. Okay, and that need to be start from 21, and this will be our C. Okay, and this will be our B, and then this need to be start from 11 and need to go till 21. Okay, so in this format if we try to write down, then it will create list for us. And if I try to now print of D, so if I go ahead and run it, so now you can see that list A have value 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and B start with 11 end on 20, C start with 21 and end on 30. So what basically I'm trying to do, I'm creating one here. That's this is that key for A, and to assign that value, I'm creating the one list, and inside that list, I'm passing that range 1 to 11, so that it can store in the range of 1 to 11, 1 to 10, because we know that range function not going to consider last one. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.